Hi, I'm Jean.
And I'm Rachel.
And welcome to Let Us Bake.
Today we are going to show you the best no-churn ice cream. And today's flavor?
Bubblegum.
Here's what you'll need to make your bubblegum ice cream.
2 cups of cold, heavy whipping cream.
1 1/4 cups of sweetened condensed milk.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
1/2 cup of your favorite bubblegum.
Cut into itty bitty pieces.
Ask a grown-up to help you with the cutting.
In a large bowl, you're going to whisk in your vanilla to your sweetened condensed milk and then set it aside.
Next, add your heavy whipping cream into the bowl of your stand mixer and whisk until soft peaks. Nice peaks!
Well, thank you. So now that we've reached soft peaks, we're going to fold in our whipped cream into our sweetened condensed milk in stages.
It's important to fold it in stages because we want to keep it light and fluffy.
So once your whipped cream and condensed milk is fully incorporated, it's time to pour it into a pan. We're using just a regular old loaf pan.
Now that our ice cream is in the pan, we want to add the bubblegum. We want to do this after so it doesn't sink to the bottom.
And I'm just taking my spatula and smoothing out the top.
Now cover with plastic wrap and stick it in the freezer for 6 hours.
6 hours?
6 hours.
6 hours is a lot of time, Richie. What are we gonna do?
You want to play a game?
Sure.
What game do you want to play?
I don't know.
Freeze!
Bubblegum, set me free?
Nope.
Bubblegum, set me free? Bubble? Go?
This is worth the wait.
Thanks so much for joining us on Let Us Bake. We'll see you next week.
Freeze!
Bubblegum, set me free?
Never. Okay, we're gonna play
What's
in the Box?
This is a fun game where one person sticks something weird in that box, the other person blindly sticks their hands in and tries to guess what it is.
Let the games begin.
What's better than a candy necklace? Taco tiara, huh? So you got a taco shell and then mini marshmallows jammed up in there and gummy worms. Camus puffs. She gonna guess Camus puffs? Would you guess Camus puffs?
I felt something. That's gummy. That's a gummy worm. These are marshmallows. They're mini marshmallows. That's like a snail. It's like a cracker. This is taco. It's a taco tiara.